Dawnlight bleeds through bus window cracks. My reflection smudged by passing tracks. Third coffee gone cold in my hand. Still scrolling your name, I can understand. I walk for miles with no map, just echoes in an empty lap. Rain writes truth on every pane. Life's not fair, it's just rain. Laundry hangs like ghosts on lines. Your old shirt still smells like pines. Landlord left a note, take low rent's due in red, no room to grow. I walk for miles with no map, just echoes in an empty lap. Rain writes truth on every pane. Life's not fair, it's just rain. The puddles hold the sky too. Broken things let morning through. I press my palm to a glass and finally let the past pass. I walk for miles with no map now. I draw my own path. Rain writes truth on every pane. Life's not fair, it's just rain. This is my rain. This is my rain. This is my rain. This is my